decided to get some drink. I'm drinking jarritos, strawberry jarritos. I was thirsty. I had to drink first. I had to get a drink first because I'm so thirsty right now. Beauties, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be testing out the new products that I got from Ulta that are gonna be the Morphe products. I'm gonna try out the palette. I'm gonna try out the highlight and contour palette as well with the brushes. This is not included as a Morphe, but I also tried the Anastasia Dipbrow pomade in the shade Granite, and that is what I have right now. I like this shade so much because you guys already know that I like my eyebrows so dark. I'm gonna use ebony as well when I feel like having lighter eyebrows, so I'm gonna use both. And to do my eyebrows, I use the Morphe brush that I told you guys that I purchased from Ulta. And this is the Morphe Angle Liner Brow Brush. This one is in the number M165. And I'm gonna say that this is gonna be the replacement for the Real Techniques one because I really like how this applied my brows. I love the angle of the brush. I like this brush. So for this look, I'm gonna be using the Morphe palette and I'm gonna be using the number 25B. I really like the colors. It has some beautiful colors. You can do variety of shade with this palette. Smoky eye, neutral eye like this one that is not that smoky. If you are interested in knowing how I achieve this look, please continue to watch and let's begin with this video. I'm gonna first start by applying my concealer. I'm gonna be using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Toffee. I'm gonna be taking the Morphe 25B palette. This is the palette that I'm gonna be using today for this makeup tutorial. And I'm gonna take this color right here and I'm just gonna set this concealer. As a transition color, I'm gonna be taking this shade right here. I'm gonna take this brown color. Next, I'm gonna be taking a darker brown color, that is this one right here. And that one is gonna be going on my outer corner and on my inner corner and as well on my crease. Take this shade and I'm just gonna apply it on my lid. So I'm gonna apply my mascara and I'm gonna be using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. False lashes and I'm gonna be using the Salon Perfect 614 lashes, but I'm gonna be doing it off camera, so I will be right back. So I'm gonna go back with the Morphe palette and I'm just gonna take all of the colors that I apply on my crease. I'm gonna do the same thing on my lower lid. So I'm gonna take this color that I apply as a transition color. gonna take these two colors together and apply it as well on my lower lid. Go back again with the mascara, and I'm just gonna apply mascara on my lower lashes. Contour, I'm gonna be taking the Morphe highlight and contour palette, and I'm gonna take this contour powder here. Taking this shade, and I'm just gonna contour my nose using this shade. For blush, I'm gonna go with the Makeup Revolution, the matte blush in the shade Nude. For highlighter, I'm gonna go back again with the Morphe highlight and contour palette. And which highlight I'm gonna use? Let's do the swatch first. So I'm gonna swatch this one, this one, this one, and this one. So let's see. This one, Bean, is this one right here. Then we got My Rich. And then we got Big Bang. And lastly, Venice. I'm kind of feeling this one that is called My Rage. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. To my lips, I'm gonna be taking first my lip pencil in this in the shade Brown, and then I'm gonna go with the Milani in the shade Honey. This makeup, I'm gonna be using the Mario Badescu setting spray. And there you have it, my love. This is the final look for this, testing out these Morphe products that I purchased. For my first impression for this palette, I just love this palette so much. The colors are pigmented. It has fallout. I gotta say that it has fallout, but I don't mind the fallout. It doesn't have like a sexy fallout, like a lot of fallouts. It just has some few fallouts. You guys should definitely own this palette if you don't have it in your collection. And for the highlight and contour palette, I kind of like this palette and I kind of dislike. I like the contour, but I don't like it as much as the other contour that I have. The contour, you have to apply so much for it to show. That's the only downside that I have about the contour. But the highlight, I love the highlight. It's really pigmented, as you guys can see. I'm still gonna try out this palette. And for the brush, the M444, I love this brush so much. It really applies my foundation so nicely. It actually applies my foundation if I am applying my foundation with a sponge, but I'm actually applying it with the brush. I just love the density of this brush. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. As well, follow me at all of my social medias. The links are gonna be in the description box below. And until my next one, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.
I'm so fucking happy you're around.